The AliExpress 11.11 Global Shopping Festival is officially live, and it's pure chaos in the best way possible. Prices are crashing, carts are filling up, and the site is practically glowing red from millions of simultaneous clicks. What started years ago as a local sale in China has now turned into the world's biggest online shopping event, and 2025's edition is breaking all the records again. From flagship gadgets to smart home tech, from pro tools to everyday gear, everything's on fire sale right now. Discounts go as deep as 80%, and some of the best-rated products are disappearing from stock in hours. So if you've been waiting to grab that power tool, GaN charger, or a pair of premium headphones, this is the moment to strike. We've combed through hundreds of deals to handpick the best items worth your money during the AliExpress 11.11 sale 2025. No gimmicks, no fake discounts, just real value, verified brands, and massive price drops. Let's jump straight into the list of top must-buy products before the countdown ends.
When precision meets minimalism, that's the DUKA Atuman thermometer and hygrometer from Xiaomi's extended ecosystem. This tiny gadget looks simple, but it's surprisingly powerful for its size. Designed for smart homes, workshops, and even greenhouses, it gives you real-time readings of both temperature and humidity with pinpoint accuracy. The clean 2.5-inch LCD display is easy to read even from across the room, showing clear digits with smooth contrast. Whether you're checking the air conditions in your living room, baby's room, or studio, the DUKA Atuman keeps you informed without any setup fuss. The back panel includes a magnetic mount and a fold-out stand, so you can stick it on your fridge, set it on your desk, or mount it to the wall. It's powered by a standard coin battery that lasts for months, and the unit automatically updates readings every few seconds. The device ships under two labels, DUKA or Atuman, both belonging to the same trusted manufacturer, so whichever you receive, you're getting authentic Xiaomi ecosystem quality. For just $4.78 during the 11.11 sale, it's an absolute steal. A smart, practical pickup for anyone who values accuracy and simplicity in their daily environment.
UGREEN has built its name on reliable, no-nonsense tech accessories, and this 65-watt GaN Charger Uno proves exactly why the brand is a bestseller every 11.11. It's compact, powerful, and intelligently designed, perfect for travelers, creators, or anyone tired of carrying multiple bricks for phones, tablets, and laptops. Using the latest GaN, or gallium nitride technology, this charger delivers high efficiency with minimal heat and size. Despite its small footprint, it pumps out up to 65 watts of power, enough to fast charge a MacBook Air, a Samsung Galaxy, or even a Nintendo Switch. It supports USB PD, Qualcomm Quick Charge, Huawei FCP, and Samsung Adaptive Fast Charge, automatically adjusting output to match your device's needs. The dual USB-C plus USB-A layout lets you power 2 or 3 gadgets at once, maintaining stable current across all ports. Build quality is exactly what you expect from UGREEN. Solid, matte finish with full CE, ROS, and FCC certifications for safe international use.
Number 3. The VGR V285 Professional Hair Clipper. This one's a real workhorse for its price, and during the 11.11 sale, it's dropping to around $31. That's less than half the original tag. Inside the sleek ABS body sits a 9,000 RPM motor, giving you the kind of cutting speed you'd normally find in barbershop-grade tools. The powder metallurgy blade stays sharp for months, while the taper lever and 6 guide combs let you shape anything, from tight fades to a full trim. It runs up to 2.5 hours on a single charge, and the LED display keeps you updated on battery life. Recharge it through USB in about 2 hours, and you're good to go again. Everything about the V285 feels premium, from the balanced weight to the smooth, quiet operation. Sure, you'll need to grab your own clipper oil, but at this price, it's a small trade-off. If you've been thinking about upgrading your grooming kit, this is the perfect 11.11 deal, a pro-level clipper that won't break the bank. Number 2. The ROXON S501U Knife Scissors Hybrid, also known as the KS501U. This is one of those tools that instantly makes sense the moment you pick it up. Compact, sturdy, and surprisingly versatile. It's the upgraded version of the original S501, redesigned with a stronger drop-point blade, grippy handle inserts, and the ability to swap out the main blade for up to 17 different attachments.
The main knife is made of durable 8CR13 MOV stainless steel, while the scissors use German DIN 1.4116 steel, giving you corrosion resistance and long-lasting sharpness even after heavy outdoor use. The liner lock mechanism keeps everything secure, and the ergonomic handle, with textured plates, ensures a firm grip whether you're cutting rope, cardboard, or even trimming fishing line out on the wound. At just 130 grams, the S501U is light enough for everyday carry. Clip it to your pocket or backpack, and forget it's even there until you need it. It's perfect for camping, fishing, hunting, or emergency repairs. Basically, whenever you want a compact edge and a pair of precision scissors in one tool.
Number 1. The Baseus Security B1 2K Smart Camera. This isn't just another security cam, it's a full-featured smart guardian for your home. Designed by Baseus, a brand known for blending smart tech with sleek design, the B1 gives you the perfect mix of clarity, intelligence, and reliability. It shoots in crisp 2K resolution, so every frame looks sharp and detailed, whether it's broad daylight or total darkness. The IR night vision captures movement clearly even at midnight, while the AI-based motion tracking instantly spots people, reduces false alerts, and sends notifications straight to your phone. The wide 145-degree viewing angle covers your entire entryway or yard, and with an IP67 water-resistant body, the camera can handle rain, snow, and dust without breaking a sweat. Its built-in battery lasts up to 210 days, so you don't have to worry about cables or frequent charging. You can record 24/7 video to a microSD card up to 256 gigabytes, and all your data stays safe thanks to advanced encryption. Plus, the two-way audio lets you talk to visitors or warn off intruders remotely, right from your smartphone. Compatible with Alexa and Google Home, the Baseus B1 gives you voice-controlled security and peace of mind wherever you are. During the 11.11 AliExpress sale, it's one of the smartest upgrades you can make for your home. A true best-in-class deal for 2025.
And that's it! The biggest shopping event of the year is in full swing. The AliExpress 11.11 sale is where smart buyers hunt down the best tech, home gear, and gadgets at prices you won't see again all year. Thousands of products are flying off the shelves, discounts are deeper than ever, and every hour brings something new to grab. Whether you're upgrading your setup, refreshing your tools, or just chasing that perfect deal, now's the time to move. Add it to your cart, check out fast, and enjoy the rush. Because when the clock runs out, the best bargains disappear with it. This is 11.11. Shop smart, shop fast, and we'll see you in the next one.